Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram account private. Alright, so if you want to private your Instagram account so only your followers are able to see what posts and Instagram reels you share on your Instagram account, here's how to do it. The first thing you have to know is that if you want to make your Instagram account private, you have to have a personal Instagram account. So if you are currently using a business or a creator Instagram account, you have to first switch back to a personal Instagram account. You can find tutorials on my channel on how to do that. But once you are using a personal Instagram account, here's how to make your Instagram account private. So first open up your Instagram profile, then in the top right corner, select these three lines here, then select settings, then select privacy from the list. And as you can see, here's where you're going to be able to turn on private accounts. So turn this on, and then you have to confirm that you want to switch to a private Instagram account. So as Instagram explains here, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and this won't change who can tag, mention or message you. So if you are okay with this, then select switch to private. And now as we can see, our Instagram account has been switched to a private Instagram account. And now our Instagram account posts and reels and anything else can only be seen by accounts who follow us.